Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a coding AI agent that I built using Python and FastAPI with Tailwind CSS for the front end. Basically, this AI agent can help you write code, build features, debug errors, review existing code, and even explain programming concepts. So instead of switching between different tools, we can handle everything directly from one coding agent. Let's test it. First, I'm going to ask, build a FastAPI endpoint for a to-do list with create, list, update, and delete operations. I'll send the request, and as you can see, the agent understands what we're trying to build and generates the code for our CRUD API along with the required structure. This can be really useful when you're starting a new project or just want to quickly generate a feature. Now let's test something different. I'll give it this Python function and ask the agent to review the code, find potential problems, and improve it. At first glance, the code looks completely fine, but the agent can go deeper and identify possible edge cases, like what happens if an item doesn't contain a price or if the value isn't actually a valid number. And then it gives us an improved version of the code. Now let's switch to the explain mode. I'll ask a simple question. What is a variable in Python? And instead of giving us an unnecessarily complicated answer, the agent explains the concept clearly and also provides an example. So with this one AI agent, we can build features, generate code, review code, debug problems, and learn programming concepts while we're coding. Behind the scenes, I'm using Python and FastAPI for the backend and Tailwind CSS for the responsive front end. The LLM configuration and API keys are also stored securely on the backend using environment variables, so nothing sensitive is exposed in the front end. And that's our coding AI agent. If you want the complete source code for this project, join our Discord server and send me a message. If you enjoyed the project, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which AI agent I should build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.